Summer at Barnard is an incredibly exciting time for students to explore their intellectual and professional goals, no matter whether they're interning here in New York City, taking classes, or participating in our Summer Research Institute.
Working in a lab with predominantly women has been really enriching for me. The environment is just really supportive, and I've never felt like a sense of competition between lab mates. My mentor is Professor Rachel Austin. I really enjoy working with her. She's constantly asking me, well, what do you think? And I get to give my opinion, so she's also helped me grow to be more confident.
Tyranny is working to help us understand the dominant enzyme that is involved in cleaning up oil spills. And she's really at a point where her work will shed a lot of light on how the structure of this enzyme enables it to have that function.
Our goal in lab is kind of to isolate the protein in order to analyze the reaction of alkane to alcohol. And then over a couple of days, we work towards extracting that protein and purifying it.
This summer I have 6 students in my lab, all part of SRI, working full-time on different complementary projects. And students can learn in a summer of research is whether they enjoy solving problems, whether they enjoy making new knowledge. It's really not about whether they learn any specific set of facts, but whether they enjoy the process of being a scientist.
I'm really grateful for SRI and how it helped me get a new perspective on doing chemistry. And also I've met so many great friends. I've also met so many people doing research that inspires me.
From the sciences to the arts and humanities, Barnard provides funding and support for students to pursue internships that align with their intellectual interests, no matter what they are.
This summer, I'm interning with Growing the Arts, and I take the ferry every single day to go to the gallery. I'm currently interning at AAR Gallery, which is an artist gallery located in Brooklyn.
We're an arts nonprofit that focuses on uplifting the voices of women and non-binary artists. So I think Growing the Arts is just a phenomenal program because a lot of these internships are traditionally unpaid. So it gives, that practical support to students to be able to feel really motivated to excel at their internships.
This summer, I'm learning how a gallery works. I'm helping with organizing spreadsheets. I'm helping learn how to promote the gallery. I was able to learn a lot from my supervisor, especially since she's a Barnard alum. There's just something that I can't really quite describe, but just the sense of community that I was able to get and this level of comfort that I was able to feel when I was coming into the gallery.
We have a lot of Barnard interns and they are all amazing. I was a Barnard intern when I first started here, and it's always great to watch them, and Christine specifically, develop their confidence throughout their tenure here.
It's just been so amazing being surrounded by all of this work. It's just inspired me to try to make artwork just outside of the gallery. In Growing the Arts, I'm also with 13 other wonderful Barnard students who are also in completely different fields. We were able to create this little community of artists that we can keep in touch with each other. I think that the program has definitely provided pathways, especially to me. Without this program, I wouldn't have been able to intern at this wonderful gallery, and also I wouldn't have been able to meet other artists.
Our campus is also home for hundreds of high school students who join us for our pre-college programs, where we give them a taste of Barnard's academic richness and a preview of life in New York City.
We are heading out to Hanky Panky for a site visit today to learn about how Hanky Panky makes their undergarments. I'm pretty excited to be taking a group of 41 students to learn about the experience.
We learned really every step of how this underwear is made. It's a huge process. It was just helpful to see how many steps it takes to create all of these incredible products. I learned that the fabric that was delivered to them actually needed to be let out in the sun and let out in the air for about 24 hours before being usable, and it really shrinks in size. Overall, my take home from the visit was how complicated businesses are, how many parts there are to every single business, how complicated it can be, how many people are involved in a big business, just how much more scale it is than we think in our head.
What I love so much about this program is that it really draws people from all over the country who are passionate about the same things that you are. And this is an environment where everyone is ready to come to class and grow every single day. We are paired up in teams to come up with an idea that we want to pursue and turn into a successful business.
You're really going in depth here. You're learning how to make a business, what you need to do. You need to know why you want to make a business. I think it being taught by women is important because you just see how powerful it is for women to be in this business industry. The more women that there are in the industry, the better it is for us.
I've just had the best time exploring New York and getting to meet new people.
I've gained skills, knowledge, confidence, and I was just really excited to be part of this program.
Advancing scholarship, supporting professional opportunities, and fostering community. That's what we do every summer at Barnard.